Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at the newly released Adam Rubiks Speed Cube. So first I'll be introduced to you. This was made in collaboration with Gans and Rubiks fans. It has tiled up corners and it is the most complicated 3x3 ever made.
So let's take a look at the cover. It comes in a very ordinary sort of cover with a lot of information about the cube.
The size of the cube is 57mm, weight is 85 grams.
Now let's take the corner cutting. The corner cutting in this cube is just a little bit less than the modern speed cubes available in the market right now, but it's more than the original Rubiks Speed Cube. The corner cutting is almost a little bit more than 45 degree, and reverse corner cutting is less than 45, but not bad or not good.
While using the Rubiks Speed Cube, it makes me remember my old Show Aurora Cube. The feeling is a little bit similar to that of the Aurora.
Now on to the speed of the cube. The cube is very fast, like it is my main now, and I like this cube more than the Walk 3, and some people don't actually like its feeling. Don't know the reason for it. It has a blocky feeling and it is very stable. I don't know how to express that thing. It's more stable than the Walk 3, and yeah, that is one of the factors which made me switch from my main from the Walk 3 to the Rubiks Speed Cube. The color scheme on the RSC is pretty much similar to the Walk 3, except for the fact that the RSC has dull colors. So it would be easier for people to switch from the Walk 3 to the RSC.
It's a GAN RSC cube worth $20. Yeah, it is. Rubiks website, the price of this cube is $25, and for $25 the cube is not worth. But for $20 it's kind of worth, not too much, but in my opinion the price should have been like $15 or $17.
Now let's compare the RSC with the Walk 3. The price of the RSC is more than that of the Walk 3, and the corner cutting is more for the Walk 3. Lockups are more for RSC, then speed is more for Walk 3, but I like the speed for this one more, and this has more blocky feeling, so according to me the RSC is better. Now on to the negatives of this RSC cube. The RSC cube is little bit hard to handle. It has the green GES system inside. It's little bit hard to handle this. Once I changed the tension, and it was a little bit difficult to make it the same thing.
Just some days ago I just broke my TV odd single using the GAN RSC cube.
This cube has given me a lot of lockups. I don't know how much it has given me a lot of lockups, but it also has given me a lot of PPs in OH as well as 3x3 average of 100. This cube doesn't require much lube. I haven't lubed it since I got it, and it's almost 2 weeks since I bought this, and I haven't used the lube. And although I haven't used the lube, there isn't much change in its speed and feeling, and after changing its tension it has regained the same feeling.
My expectation from the Rubiks GAN Speed Cube is it's not going to be anything revolutionary on the market, but it's definitely going to be something amazing from Rubiks.
Okay, we want GAN's Rubiks Cube to be should have good corner cutting as GAN's 356, and should be fast and flexible.
I think GAN's Rubiks Speed Cube will perform like a GAN's air puzzle.